everyone, welcome back. Another sunset, and in one of my favorite places, the Big Rock. I came here for sunrise I think a month ago or something, and I very much like this place for sunrise because the sun hits the stone on this part of the stone from the inside, but the sunset gives it from the other side, from the right side. So for sunrise and sunset, it depends what you want really. Like the light comes from the sunrise, the light comes from the left. The sunset light comes from the right. And when it comes from the left, it illuminates the inside of the rock. It gives all of these shapes towards the inside of the rock that are very beautiful. For the sunset, it illuminates on the right side. It's a little bit more like unidimensional, if I can say so, like a pyramid more or less. But it's still very interesting, and as you guys know me, I try to come for the sun. Wow, the sun is really coming out now. As you guys know me, I try really to come for sunrise and sunset on same spots to get a different perspective on things. But anyway, this time the horizon is pretty clear. We are getting quite some clouds on the horizon, but it's a little bit empty in this area, so hopefully we're gonna get some more clouds on that area, but I don't know. It might take some time, or it might not even come, but I want to see what I can get at this spot today. So let's get the 14 to 24 ready and start shooting. Right, so let's see what we have here. I kind of like this spot from here, because I can get a lot of the water from this side and this area here as well. But my favorite spot is actually from up here. From this area here, and the water comes over here, but the sea level has to be a little bit up. It's too low. So maybe not from here, but if I tried portrait from here, this is really nice, but then the problem is this amount of sky, so I have to minimize this amount of sky because I'm not gonna have many clouds apparently, which is a shame. Maybe if I try really to the side, then the problem with the sky is the same. This is an interesting problem. Maybe from here and zooming in a bit might give the less distracting parts of the sky. But I also want to have the mountains and the islands on the background. Oh, here comes a big one. I'm hoping that these clouds, they're gonna move in a little bit more here, and then I'm able to take the photograph. But for now, the only thing that I can do is wait. Yeah, as I said there in that video. As I said in that video, unless these clouds here move to the top of this rock, then it's very hard for me to actually take any photographs. So I have to wait because there is a big amount of it over here, but for now it's taking its sweet time for me to be able to take anything, so maybe soon. Yep, The clouds were moving to the top of the rock, but sadly there was not enough time for them to cover that spot. I think that's a pretty photo. The clouds look like they're storming towards the land and the colors are very pleasing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.